Hi friends, in this video I'm going to take you to the interesting world of elements, that is interesting fact about chemical elements in periodic table. Okay students, so today we are going to learn some interesting facts about chemical elements from the periodic table. The first element is aluminium. Yes children, aluminium Al is one of the most useful of all metals as it is light in weight, durable, easy to work with and simple to recycle. And the second element is carbon. Carbon is one of the few elements known to humanity since antiquity. It is a non-metallic tetravalent element and the fourth most abundant element in the universe by mass after hydrogen, helium and oxygen. And this element forms allotropes. The best known carbon allotropes are graphite, diamond and amorphous carbon. And carbon is one of the most common element of all known life thanks to its abundance because its unique diversity of organic compounds and its unusual ability to form polymers at the temperature commonly encountered on Earth. And the next element is titanium. Titanium is a silver lustrous, low density and high strength element. Titanium is completely non-rusting and non-allergenic, which makes it popular for the use inside the body in the form of artificial hips, joints, dental implants and body jewelry. And the next element is francium. Francium is a highly radioactive metal that decays into astatine, radium and radon. It decomposes into astatine, radium and radon. It's the longest lived isotope. The next chemical element is osmium. Osmium is a brittle, hard, bluish white metal. It can be found as a trace element in alloys, predominantly in platinum ores. The next element is fluorine. Fluorine is a pale yellow diatomic gas in normal conditions. It's highly toxic and is most reactive for all elements. The most widely known of this is Teflon. And the next element is chlorine. Chlorine is an extremely toxic yellow-green gas at room temperature. It's abundant in the form of chloride salts. Sodium chloride is the common salt. Hydrochloric acid is a compound of chlorine. And the next is manganese. Manganese is a silvery grey metal which is hard and very brittle. It is difficult to fuse but easy to oxidize. It is the 12th most abundant element in the Earth's crust. It is the most important element for human health and is essential for development and metabolism and for the antioxidant system. And the next important element is hydrogen. Hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table and also the lightest element. It is highly combustible gas. It is the most common element in the universe. And the next element is gallium. Gallium is soft, silvery, blue metal at standard temperature and pressure, a brittle solid at low temperature and a liquid at temperature about 29.7 degrees Celsius or 85.57 Fahrenheit. And it has commercial demand as it has got a semiconductor application. It is used in thermometer instead of mercury as it is non-toxic and eco-friendly and can withstand high temperature. Okay students, in this video we shall learn about the pointers of periodic table and importance of periodic table. Thank you.